In order to benefit from the sophisticated features of your Gaggenau induction cooktop and to maintain it in good working order, let's review a few important tips. Smooth bottom pans with a ferromagnetic content and a totally flat base are the ideal tools for successful induction cooking. Most modern cookware will indicate whether it's induction compatible. Even non-ferrous metal cookware, such as stainless steel and even copper, may be clad on the bottom and be induction compatible. Heat pans over moderate heat before adding cooking oil, then increasing the cooking temperature. Never leave empty pans cooking, as this can damage the cooktop. Never place metallic objects such as spoon rests, lids, or cooking utensils on the cooktop while cooking. There are several options for cleaning up spills around the control panel. The panel can be locked for cleaning when there are no pans active on the cooktop. If cooking is in process, the pause function can be used to wipe any spilled liquid. Perhaps one of the greatest benefits of induction cooking is how easy it is to keep the cooking surface clean during the cooking or after. Just one more reason why chefs love cooking with induction. Wipe the area clean with a dry cloth and only use a wet cloth when the cooktop is cooled. Always wait until the cooktop has cooled down before cleaning. Clean the cooktop with warm soapy water and a cloth. Saran glass cooktop cleaner available from the Gaggenau eShop can be used when the cooktop is completely cool. The Gaggenau full surface induction cooktop does feature some extraordinary technology, but as you can see, these features simplify and enhance the cooking process, and we all know it's the results that matter.